Hi, welcome to everyone. I am introducing the highly anticipated new release for real robot fans, Bandai's HIME-METAL R Blood Sucker. So from VOTOMS Animations, Armored Troopers VOTOMS series is a future packed with this unit finally appearing from meticulous detail, overwhelming articulation and specifications faithful to the anime. Let's dive right in.
And one of the charms of this series is its wide range of articulations. When you pick up the main unit, the first thing that catches your eye is its unique coloring. Double joint elbow and knees allow for deep bends. It feels stable even when moved vigorously, making posing this unit truly enjoyable. The arm punch part adds dynamic display options, perfect for reenacting scenes from the anime. The machine gun is sturdy and can be held in both hands. Interchangeable hands allow for natural shooting poses.
Pull the things up and unlock them.
If you are VOTOMS fan, this is an absolute must-have. It's haunting yet heroic addition to any real robot collection. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Goodbye.